Bob, I think we were owed this really pretty night after all the rain we've had.
Yeah, it was nice to get the rain, obviously.
Right,
you know,
we
and
needed
now
it
we
badly.
are looking at some beautiful conditions. I know you were out checking
At the
things out
bridge.
too at the Sarasota Bay at the bridge, and some photos sent in. Obviously, this one here comes from Marina Jack. Haley,
That's me.
That's it. Haley sending this one in. Actually, I got it off of Facebook, I think that's right. And we had another one, and this one from Norm. His third one in 24 hours, right? It's his birthday. Happy birthday.
A lot of birthday celebrations.
Yeah, nice moon
for
there
Norm.
too in the background. And Siesta, Fred always getting great shots. You can see those high-level cirrus clouds off in the distance there. And Palmetto, Dennis sending this one in as well. A lot of photos, and keep them coming. Always like to see those. And then the radar picture showing some showers down to our south over Cuba now. That's where all that warm tropical air has headed now down to the south. This is all dry air that you see right here, and that's the reason why there's no returns really out there in the Gulf of Mexico. We've had one or two lone showers in the inland counties this evening. The heaviest rain by far down to our south of Marco Island. And the satellite enhancement showing not a lot of clouds out there in the Gulf. We had a little piece of energy move through earlier over South Florida, but that has since moved on. Current conditions, 76 degrees at the Sarasota Brayton Airport. Dew point is at 70. That number's come up a little bit, but the winds are out of the west at 3. The pressure's also starting to rise just a little bit at 29.82 inches. Still 80 at Venice at the end of the pier there, and 74 in Braden, and 65 degrees in Jacksonville. That's the dew point temperature. These are always what we can look at to see where that drier air is located. It's over the Panhandle. Still very warm and moist down south into Miami and into Key West, into the 70s there. 69 now in Orlando. Forecast tomorrow looks to be pretty good. Beaches, highs right around 85 degrees. No real threat of any significant rainfall near the coast. There's a chance for an isolated shower well inland as the sea breeze gets going. We'll see mostly sunny skies, a few clouds in the afternoon. And as far as the RPM forecast model goes, well, we are going to see some shower activity, not so much tomorrow, but more so on in through the weekend, with those scattered mainly afternoon and evening storms developing along the sea breeze front. We're going to get into our rainy pattern big time, I think, next week, too, with showers and storms every afternoon right through the weekend. But not much of a chance near the coast, more so inland on into Saturday. The rain chances will be a little bit on the high side come Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week. But I mentioned all that dry air. It's going to take a while to replace that. This warm, moist air down to our south will eventually work its way back northward on Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. Temperatures, it's a warm day all the way up into the northern Rockies now. 86 in Billings at this hour. Reverse those numbers in Kansas City, 68, 57 in Boston. Kind of a cool day in Detroit, Toronto, and Cleveland. And as far as the overall national radar and satellite imagery goes, you can see clear skies from Arkansas into Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia this evening as a result of a large sprawling area of high pressure, at least at the surface. And then we have a trough of low pressure that's digging down all the way into the southeast United States. That's shifting off to the east. For boaters, it looks like this tomorrow, east to southeast winds after we've had quite a bit of west-northwest winds this afternoon. Seas still running 1 to 3 feet and a light chop. And the water temperature now 83 degrees. UV index will be higher with a lot more sunshine around. High tide upcoming 2:33 and a low tide at 6:34. And the forecast tonight, mostly fair, mild 72, which is pretty close to average. Northeast winds 5 to 10. And then for tomorrow, look for lots of sunshine in the morning, partly cloudy in the afternoon, and warmer. 20% chance for a few scattered storms. East to southwest winds, well, east to start the day off, and then southwest 5 to 10 in the afternoon. A little sea breeze kicking in. Rain chances not all that high tomorrow. It picks up a little bit over the weekend. Again, those will be scattered showers and storms on Saturday and Sunday. And then by Tuesday of next week, numerous showers and storms in the afternoon. They'll be heading back toward the coast, too. And so we're getting into our lightning season, so keep an eye on that, too.